How to put pictures on TikTok comments. In this video, I will guide you on how to put pictures on TikTok comments. For this, launch open the TikTok app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download it. Now, log into your account. If you want to comment pictures on TikTok videos, then the first thing you want to do is open up any video. Now, you want to tap on this comment icon. Now, on this box, you can simply type in your comment. If you want to put picture, you want to tap on this image icon. Now, tap on allow. Then, you simply want to select any picture from your gallery. Additionally, you can also type in a text. Now, if you want, you can add in some emojis. After that, tap on this send button. Once that is done, as you can see, you have successfully put pictures on the TikTok comments. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.